Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys what are some stocks that are at their discount price or at their lowest price. Now there are plenty of stocks in the stock market that are trading for their lowest prices or the discount prices. Now there are some stocks that are in the market that are at their all-time high, and maybe after some time they drop to their lowest value, and that is when you will have to buy those stocks for a discount. Now to buy these, like I've said, explained to you guys this in my previous video, that these type of stocks are at their discount price. Now this is below trading below the 200-day moving average and also below the Ichimoku cloud, just like this, and this is the Ichimoku cloud and it is trading below that. So this is a stock that is at their discount price, and you should invest in these type of stocks. Now there are also certain stocks in the stock market that I would say that that is trading for their lowest value, or that is trading for their lowest value, or a discount price. Now the stocks that you should be buying, you should buy the stocks, like I said in the previous 3 to 4 videos of mine, that you should invest in stocks that have lesser volume, that are abandoned by the traders, that are trading below the 200-day moving average, that is trading below the Achimoku that is trading below the cloud in the Achimoku cloud, in that indicator. So opt for those type of stocks. Those type of stocks are abandoned by the investors or the traders, and they will come back to those stocks after they are done taking profit from other stocks. Now these type of stocks, they are trading for their lowest prices, or for their discount prices, and they are easily available to traders. Now there are also some stocks like IPOs. You can invest in those, but those are for the long term investments. So there are two investments: long term and short term. Now I'm explaining to you guys short term investment. And the long term investment, you can buy any type of penny stocks which you seek, that they will grow in value in the future, maybe after a year, maybe after 2 years, after 3 years, maybe after 5 years, or maybe after 10 years. They might increase in value, so you'll opt for those type of stocks. For long term investment, opt for those type of stocks that will grow in value, that you seek profit in after a long period of time, because long term investment is all about taking profit after a longer period of time. So uh, that is when you will have to uh, trade for stocks that are trading for their discount prices or at their lowest values. So maybe there are more stocks in the stock market. I'm just explaining to you guys which type of stocks you should buy in the stock market, like this, for their for a discount price, or for they are when they are trading for their lowest value. So there are those type of stocks that, like I said, that you will have to buy in order for you to make profit. So like I said to you, opt for the wait for the certain stocks to wait for the right entry, wait for the right position to enter, because and if you wait for the right position, maybe you buy more and sell the stocks for a much higher price, and maybe waiting for a certain stock to drop in value, and you might have a, you might buy the stocks for a greater price, for a much more lowest value, and make much more profit when you sell it highest uh, uh, at its highest point or all time high, or maybe the highest high, when the stock market, when that stock reaches to its highest value. So maybe sell your stock at that point and make profit out of it. So always wait for a certain stock, because waiting patience is the key factor in the stock market, and maybe patience give you a much more greater view of where to buy a certain stocks, and which stocks you should be buying in the stock market. So all of these comes in this phase. So out for for these type of stocks that seek a discount in, or that are trading for their lowest value, because when the stock market is at its all time high, meaning that it is reached its highest trading value. So there are stocks that are already trading at their lowest or their discount price. So opt for so it requires a bit research, and you'll have to do your research to buy those type of stocks, or to come up with, or to go through these type of stocks that you ought to buy and sell. Now you can see this stock, let it load, and I will show to you that this is trading for its lowest value. Now you can see that this is already trading for it at its lowest value, so I've invested in this. Now it crossed my stop loss, and as it crossed its my stop loss, I was waiting for it. Like, I was in my mind that I would sell this stock at its at this stop loss, but when I come along it, the market was closed, so I do not bother it, and I would let it trade. Maybe I would catch this further more. Maybe I would catch this stock more from the bottom, because you can see now it has lower cap. So I'm going to wait for it and see what happens next in this particular stock. Now you can see the cloud here as well. It is trading below the cloud. Maybe it goes further down in prices, but I will wait for it and see what happens next, with this stocks. Now you can see all of the indicators shows a downtrend. I will wait for it even further. If something happens, I'm going to do averaging and catch the stock below from its lowest position, and then move along with it. Now you can see that this is trading for its discount value, or for a price that is below below, that is very lowest. So always opt for these type of stocks, because these type of stocks require research, and you'll have to do your research. While investing in these type of stocks. You can see now it is trading below the 200-day moving average. Like I've said in the previous videos, it is trading below the 200-day moving average. Also, it is trading below the Ichimoku cloud. It is trading below the cloud in the Ichimoku cloud. So these type of stocks you should opt for buying in the stock market, because they are already at their lowest value, and it will give you and wait for a greater position, because for a greater position you might have a stock that is trading for its lowest value, and you might buy that stock for a lowest price and sell it for even a higher price. So patience is the key factor in this. So these type of stocks that I want to mention, I wanted to tell to you guys, I wanted to show you to you guys that these type of stocks you should buy in the stock market. As you saw in this video that they are trading for their lowest value, and you can buy in these stocks for greater profits and make much more profit. For these are for short term investment, and maybe for long term investment you can invest for a year, 2, maybe 3 years. That all depends upon you, on how much you can wait, and how much investment you want to make in a certain stocks, and wait for a certain period of time. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.